Hey everyone, today I'm showing you how to fix network problems on your iPhone. If you're experiencing weak signal, dropped calls, or no service, these solutions will help. Go to Settings, toggle Airplane Mode on, wait about 30 seconds, then turn it off. This refreshes your network connection instantly. Bluetooth interference can cause dropped calls and connection issues. Simply turn it off in Settings to eliminate this problem. Manual network selection. Go to Settings, tap Cellular, then Network Selection. Turn off Automatic and your iPhone will search for available carriers. Select your network manually and restart your device. Final solution, in Settings, go to Cellular, make sure cellular data is enabled. Tap Cellular Data Options, then Voice and Data, and select the highest network generation your carrier supports, whether that's 5G, LTE, or 4G. These fixes should resolve most iPhone network problems. Try them in order for best results.